Hey y'all, hope everyone's enjoying their new year so far, and let's just hop right into the video. So there is my flat iron. So this is the Kipozi 1.75 inch flat iron. I got this off of Amazon. It was only $35. I think I caught it on sale for the Christmas special. Yeah, y'all, 35 freaking dollars, and it's amazing. So inside the box was the user manual, and it also comes with a 6-month warranty. That's what's inside that thank you card there. So opening the Kipozi bag, here's our flat iron. So nice and new. So I needed a flat iron for a very long time, so I was just super excited. And guys, it was everything that I needed. So I thought about getting the Baby Bliss flat iron. I was gonna spend like over $100 on a flat iron, but I'm like, let me just try this one out first. Yeah, and here we are, guys. It was amazing. So if you have thick hair like I do, I definitely do recommend this. Well, I don't even care what kind of hair you have, but I have thick hair, so I can speak on myself. And this shit was amazing. So there is like the buttons to change the heat up and down, and then there's also like the off and on button. And so here is the flat iron plugged in, guys. Digital, you can see, and I love that. So there it is. I'm just setting it to, I think, 400 degrees. And and now you see how fast, like, it's heating up. So it heats up very quickly, and it actually is hot, if you were wondering. So I just added in like a little clip of me flattering my hair because I just wanted to show you guys how amazing this shit is. And like, it really works. Like, one pass is all you need. Like, it curls. I curled my hair off camera other days. It's amazing. Like, for $35, this is a deal. So if y'all thinking about getting this, I super do highly recommend this flat iron. It's amazing. I love it. And leave a comment, like this video, and please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.